If you are having trouble seeing new posts on Facebook, like here are some several solutions you can try to fix the issue. First of all, ensure your internet connection is stable, whether using the Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Sometimes clearing the cache of your Facebook Lite can also help you. Just go and search your Facebook Lite and long press on that. Go for the app info. Once you are on your app info, you have to tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache and clear the cache of your Facebook Lite. After that, you can also force close and restart the Facebook app if you want. You can tap on the force close and you can open your Facebook Lite after that. Instead that you are using the latest version of your Facebook Lite, you have to go to your Google Play Store and search for the Facebook Lite here. Once you have searched for the Facebook Lite, if there is any update option, you have to tap on the update option to download the latest version. If this doesn't work, you can try uninstalling and reinstall the Facebook Live here. So by following this step, you should be able to fix the issues of not getting new posts on Facebook Lite. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.